Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Introducing the 2021 model Peugeot E-208 50kWh GT Premium that does come complemented in the classic Cumulus grey paintwork. This fully electric vehicle does offer a range of up to 232 miles and can reach 80% charge in around 53 minutes using a rapid public charger. It does come with an efficient auto transmission alongside your 7kW monophase onboard charger. Top features also include enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights, complemented by your stylish rear design as well. You do also have your parking camera and sensors for easing those tight spots, alongside your power folding wing mirrors and a spacious boot area to accommodate all of your day-to-day items. The luxury does continue with your part leather interior trim with your contrasting stitching and essential power outlets. The front does house your GT multifunctional steering wheel for added driver convenience. Alongside your central touch display, you do again have your part leather front seats to enhance comfort all round. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, with of course your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying one of two personal profiles alongside all of your on-screen EV information, including your range just to your left. And for further assistance, you do also have your built-in navigation system, so this is handy in those unfamiliar areas, alongside your eco and sport mode for enhanced performance. You do have similar access on your central display with a variation of radio stations, alongside your Bluetooth connection for quick access to vital driving apps, compatible with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you do have quick access to your built-in navigation system. Alongside your on-screen driving functions, you do also have your reversing camera, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse, complete with your zoom view mode, so it is ideal in those tighter spots, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. As this is a full EV model, you do of course have your on-screen charging information, statistics and your flow, followed just below by your complementing piano black gloss keys containing various driving functions and even your heated seat options. You do also have a handy charging pocket, central cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.